If you are looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2024 Jeep Compass Limited in Silver Zenith with high altitude package, body color wheel flares, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, premium Alpine speaker system, panoramic sunroof, foot-activated open-and-go liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7938.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.